and her name is? Alright! Come on, Elsa, what will you say? Hi, kids! Happy birthday, Olivia! Happy birthday! Alright, and Elsa, what are you going to do for us? I am going to sing. You are going to sing what kind of song? Happy birthday song. A happy birthday song. And you dedicate that song to? Olivia. Olivia. Are you ready to sing, Elsa? Yes, I am. Okay, ready? Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Olivia. Wow. Aside from happy birthday song, what else do you know? Let it go. Let it go. Who knows that song? Alright, I need two volunteers to sing a song on stage with Elsa. Do you want to sing that song with Elsa? Oh, come here on stage. Yes, and also you are there. Yes. Alright, let's face the objects. Alright, ready? Let's sing it together. Are you ready, Elsa? Yes, I am. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yes. Alright, ready? Go. Happy. Happy. I thought you're ready. Yes, I am. Okay, what are you going to sing? Let it go. Let it go. Are you sure? Do you know that song? Yes. Do you know that song? Yes. Ready? Ready. Okay, go. Happy. Are you sure you know that song? Yes. What are you going to sing? Let it go. Let it go. Do you want to hold the mic, baby? Ready? Go. Let it go. Let it go. Can't look back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. To the back is the door. Let it go. Let it go. Can't look back anymore.
Let it be. Let it be.
To the back is the door.
Let it
And
be.
here I stand. And here I stand. Let the sun away, God. Comment about me anyway. What about you, Ate? Do you know that song? Can you sing it solo? Alright, go. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold me back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Then the man slammed the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cool never bother me anyway. Wow! Let's give them a big hand! Okay. Oh, it's your turn. Yes. It's your turn to shine. Yes. Okay, go. Let it go! Let it go! Can't hold you back anymore. Let it go! Let it go! Can't stand to slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. And the cold never bothered me anyway. Wow! Let's give a big hand for Elsa, for Ada, and for baby girl. Let's give them a big hand. Thank you. Alright. Thank you. You may now sit down. Thank you. Alright. Elsa, aside from singing, what else keeps you busy? Texting. Texting? Why? Do you have a cell phone? Yes. Elsa, how old are you? 6 years old. 6 years old. Do you go to school already? Yes. What grade are you in? Grade 3. Grade 3. Who is in grade 3 here? Do we have grade 3 students here? How old are you, Kuya? 9. How old are you? 9. And you are? 6. 6. And what grade? Grade 3. Grade 3. What is your favorite subject at school? Science. Science. What is your favorite lesson in science, it's all about animals, animals. Why? Do you have pet at home? Plenty. Plenty. It means you have a dog. Yes. You have a cat. Yes. You have a fish. Yes. You have a bird. Yes. You have a rabbit. Yes. What else do you have? Dinosaur. Do you know their different sounds? Yes. Elsa, what is the sound of a dog? Is it right?
Yes.
What is the sound of a cat? Is it right?
Yes!
What is the sound of a fish? Is it right? What's that sound? That is a cat sound. Fish. It's a cat sound. Fish. It's a cat sound. Fish. It's a cat sound. Fish. What kind of fish? Catfish. Catfish. You said you have dinosaur. Dinosaur. Do you know the sound of a dinosaur? Yes, of course. What about you kids? Do you know the sound of a dinosaur?
Yes!
What is the sound of a dinosaur? Elsa, can you show to us the sound of a dinosaur? Sure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I love you. You love me. We are happy family. Is that the sound of a dinosaur? And what's that sound? Barney. And Barney is a? So Elsa is right. Alright, Elsa, do you believe in magic? Yes. What about you kids? Do you believe in magic? Do you want to watch a magic show? Wow. So everybody say bye-bye, Elsa.
Goodbye.
And Elsa, what will you say? Bye-bye, kids. Happy birthday, Olivia. Happy birthday. Well, let's give a big hand for